Alright guys, welcome to this video. We're gonna be talking about lists in this video, lists in HTML. First of all, what are lists? Lists are HTML tags that are used to structure your web page. There are three main types of lists, which are known as unordered lists, your ordered lists, and your definition lists. Let me just start from the basics. I've already named, as I said in the previous video, I've already named my HTML up here, the page. I've already named it the topic we're going to be talking about today, which is list. So I've already created the basic structure that is your doc type to tell your web page that this is a doc in an HTML page. So let's start with the video. We're going to be talking about the unordered list first in this video, and the unordered list is signified with your UL, which is unordered list tag. Then inside this your UL, as you can see already, as suggested here, you have your LI, that is your list tags. Is how you use to define different lists inside this your another list. Just write things. Let me just say Miguel, sorry, Miguel, and let me just say banana, for instance. Now, as you can see, that's giving you dots. Another list are signified with dots, as you can see. You can see style it to change the dot to another shape. Let me show you an example of what I mean. Style, as you know, the your style tag. Let me just say UL. You can see, just say list type, which I want to do. Let me just call it, since it is circular, let me make it let me say square, for instance. Square. As you can see, you can look very well. It has changed from circular form to a square form. This is how you style your unordered list. Then in your ordered list, which is signified with your OL, ordered list, as you know, what I said earlier, you are going to still have this your AI to specify different lists in your order list. As you can see, your ordered list, its default value is your normal numerical number one, number two numbers, but you can change this to another way depending on what you want to do, or depending on what your UI, maybe you're looking for a company, what your UI they have given you to design it as. So as you can see, it is 1, 2 format. Create another one here, number 3, as you can see. So to change this to another format, you type I. As you can see, all of them have changed to normal single Roman figures, yes. So this is the first way to change it. If you want to change it to a different thing. So if you want to change it to another thing, you can use this one. So I'll give you a normal. I hope you're getting a hang of this now. So this is it. To change it to ABCD, you put this one, change it to I. That is how this your order list works. That is for the second one. Alright guys, I would like if you can just subscribe to my YouTube channel, like, comment and share. Thank you very much. The last for this video is your DL, which is called definition lists. Definition lists are mainly used to create something like terms and conditions. As is already suggesting things for me here. DL simply means definition list. Your DT means your definition terms, understand, and then other things that you want to use and do. Understand. So let us start. Just have an example of what I want to do. So I'll put for terms, understand, terms and conditions, for instance now. So DD, which signifies your definition, that is your terms. You define your terms and your conditions. Let me just say try to be more into this lecture, for instance now. So you can see how this thing is. I I doubt people still use this, but this is important for your SEO too. So this is what they call your definition list. And then the last one that most people don't really use, but is also important. For instance, when you want to do your drop down page, those that are reading navigation bars in your website, it's what they call your nesting list. You will understand more of this when I'm teaching you for React or Next. When I'm building a full-fledged website, I'll be able to give you guys example of what I mean. But first of all, let me just teach you guys the basic of what they call nested list. Understand? So let me use ordered list for this. Sorry, another list for this nested list example. For instance, now say front end development. Let's say for instance, this is it. Then instead of me going more into details, I can put the list inside the list because that is what nesting or nesting list simply means. Understand? Just put another list inside this. Understand? For instance, now HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Put it that way because these are the basic things most developers use. So JavaScript is when let's say this way. So this is it. What I mean by understand putting a list inside a list is called nesting or nested list. So this is the last type of list. So let me just recap what I said earlier so that you guys will forget it. The first list is called your unordered list. The second list is called your ordered list. The third list is called your definition list. And then the last list is called your nesting list. As you know, you can style your list any way you want. Understand? For instance, now list style. For instance, now first of all, this will remove all the listing dots in this listing. So most people use this format to let me say if they want to build websites now, for instance now, and they want to use listing as their navigation, understand they use this. Then do not change this to flex, now put your cap in your CSS. That's for another day. I'll do that one when I'm building a website. So this is how you remove your dots and your numberings from your list. So that is basically all for this video. I really appreciate you guys if you guys can just like my video, comment and share. Also subscribe because help to push the page and family forward. Thanks a lot guys. If you have any question, you can simply leave it as a comment. Thanks very much for your time.